everyone, this is Dr. Rupali Karwa Chaudhary. I am a psychiatrist in Pune from Samyak Mental Health Care De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Center. Today, on the occasion of World Schizophrenia Day, I am going to talk about this most serious psychiatric illness. So, there is 1% of prevalence of schizophrenia in the general population. इसका मतलब है कि 100 में से एक इंसान को schizophrenia होता है. Now, what are the causes of schizophrenia? So there are many causes of schizophrenia, right from genetic, physical, environmental, psychological, and others. होता ये है कि there are few neurochemical transmitters in our brain. One of these important neurochemical transmitter is dopamine. And in schizophrenia or any other type of psychotic illness, the level of dopamine increases. जिसकी वजह से different type के symptoms आते हैं. Now, what are the symptoms of schizophrenia? So, symptoms of schizophrenia are divided into positive as well as negative symptoms. So, positive symptoms में आते हैं delusions and hallucination. Now, what is delusion? Delusion is a false, firm belief in something which does not go with patient's social, educational, cultural background and which is unshakable in spite of evidence to the contrary. For example, patient may have the belief that his or her spouse is infidel to him or her or is having an extramarital affair. या फिर पेशेंट को ये भी लग सकता है कि उसकी अपनी सगी माँ उसे खाने में जहर देकर मार देना चाहती है. And think how difficult it is for the patient to digest such thoughts. Again, hallucination. Hallucination means a perception without an object. Hallucinations can be auditory, gustatory, tactile, visual or any other type of hallucinations patient may have. But in schizophrenia, the most common hallucination is auditory. Now the content of hallucinations may be derogatory or commanding and sometimes patient may act out on those commands. For example, I have seen one patient जिसे बार बार कान में ये आवाजें आती थी कि आपकी जिंदगी में कोई मतलब नहीं है, बेहतर है कि आप चौथे माले से कूद जाइए या फिर अपने आप को जला दीजिए. And patient actually tried to do these things to follow those commands. So again, there are many other symptoms also found in schizophrenia. For example, patient may have decreased self-care, his socio-occupational functioning is impaired, patient most of the time is self-withdrawn and socially withdrawn and all. Now, we come to the treatment of schizophrenia. As this is a psychiatric illness, most of the time insight is totally or partially absent in the patient. So, the role of relatives is very important in any psychiatric illness and in schizophrenia as well. The treatment generally starts with medicines. So now this is a type of psychosis. So antipsychotics and sometimes patient may have depressive or mood symptoms. So along with that, mood stabilizers and antidepressants are also given. होता यूँ है कि in country like India, most of the time psychiatric illnesses are ignored either because of the stigma or because of the lack of awareness. Or sometimes they think that this is just a part of his nature. Sometimes they go to the faith healers and all. So when they come to the psychiatrist, that time already the disease has become chronic. So it is actually challenging to treat such type of cases of schizophrenia. Then along with that, in case of non-compliant and non-cooperative patients, there are depo injectables through which a small amount of antipsychotic is slowly released through blood every day and the patient is maintained stable on those doses of medicines. Again, one more important life-saving procedure in case of schizophrenia, especially in case of violent aggressive patient, non-cooperative for the medicines or suicidal patient is ECT, electroconvulsive therapy, जिसे हम लेमन लैंग्वेज में शॉक ट्रीटमेंट भी कहते हैं. अब होता यह है कि शॉक ट्रीटमेंट इस शब्द का उच्चारण करते ही रिलेटिव्स भी शॉक में चले जाते हैं. But I want to clarify that it is absolutely safe procedure which is done under a short general anesthesia and there are minimal or no side effects of ECT. So to explain schizophrenia, we are attaching one video also, which was performed in one of our CME. Please have a look.
Hello, sir. She's
Hello.
my elder sister.
Okay.
And she is behaving very weird since few days. I don't know what's wrong with her. I found her muttering and, looking bluntly at walls. I don't know what's happening with her. Please see.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
You go outside first. Please.
Okay. I'll talk to her and wait outside. Tell me.
So you know this, she is my sister. My sister and my brother both are planning to kill me. They are conspiring against me, and I know they are planning to kill me. That's why I am very much angry about them.
How do you know?
They talk about me continuously. They are planning. I hear those voices continuously. You know they are talking right now also. They are talking. I'm hearing. Don't you hear?
Why do you think they want to kill you?
Sir, property matters. Okay? We have a big property. They want to kill me and they want that property. That is the reason.
Now also you can hear their voices.
Yeah. They are talking. They are talking. Don't you hear? Can't you hear? Huh? I tell everyone they are talking continuously about me, but nobody is ready to understand.